Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card with Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with Temu. How do you actually go ahead and connect your credit card to it? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually approach this is that first you're going to log onto the Temu app. Next, you're going to click on the U icon on the bottom middle side. Next, you're going to click on it looks like kind of like a hexagon icon on the upper right hand side. Now from here, you're going to see a variety of different options. You're going to click on your payment methods. And then next, you're going to click on add a credit or debit card. Now, once you're on this page here, you're just going to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address, and then click on add card. Alternatively, you could also scan your card if you have it as well, but just double check and make sure that your card is visible and clearly seen and that the card number that it registers is actually right. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card with Temu shopping app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.